Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to discover mortgage account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser, and once you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in discover.com and press enter. From the Discover homepage, click on the Home Loans button under How Can We Help? Now from the Home Loans option, click on Login at the top right and select one of the options. If your home loan application is in process, you can click on this first option. If your loan is already funded, pick this second option. Select any one option and then you will be able to see the login interface. In the login area, enter your user ID and password associated with your Discover account. If you don't remember one of these credentials, you can click on this Forgot User ID or Forgot Password link respectively and follow through the instructions. After filling in both of your credentials, click Login in order to sign in to your Discover mortgage account online. If you don't have an account with Discover yet, you can click on the Register button and follow through the account registration process. So that was how you can easily sign in to Discover mortgage account online. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.